Hello guys, and welcome once again to your home decor channel. Today I have for you an entryway tour, and this is my official entryway. I want to give you guys some tips of how to create your own entryway. Last year, the truth is I didn't have an entryway, and this is how everything looked like. Pretty empty. It was pretty simple. But then everything started once I added the clock on the wall, and that was my very first piece to create this space. So this bench is my last acquisition, and I got it at Wayfair, and it's also good for storage. And the table is from Home Goods, and the clock you can find it online on Amazon or El Dorado Furniture. And at this point, let's decorate the space together. So first I started using this pretty candle holder that I picked up at Michael's. The box wood, I just put it on top of the candle holder. It's from TJ Maxx. I got it on clearance. And then the center candle holder is from Ross, and the candle is from the Dollar Tree. And so as you guys can see here, I'm using the Chanel book, and then the box that we DIYed together. I'm going to link that video right here on the right side of the screen right now. And that is gonna elevate these flowers that I ordered on Amazon, and they are so real looking, you guys. Look at these, they look so pretty, and I really love the height that these elements give. And of course I added on my diamond just for extra sparkles. And now it's time to style this bench, and I'm adding this white blanket throw that I ordered online at Wayfair. I'm adding a white pillow and then my pink pillow, since it's my pop color as of right now. And I really love the way it came out. Everything looks so cozy. And for extra coziness, I'm adding this fur basket that I picked up last Christmas season at Home Goods. So I went ahead and added this blanket just to give it a little bit more shape. And then I went ahead and added this fur heart pillow that I ordered online on Amazon. To add a little bit more pink, I went ahead and added these beautiful roses. These are real looking, you guys, as real as it can get. And I got these ones online on Amazon. They were like $30 for all these roses. They are giant and absolutely stunning. They look so real. I definitely recommend them, and I'm going to go ahead and list that on my Amazon store down below in the description box. So let's begin the official tour. So this is what you see when you come in, and this beautiful chandelier welcomes you. And I really love how seamless it is, and I think it's perfect for the space. I love the suspended crystals, and it just looks, like I said, perfect for the space. It's not too little, it's not too much. And I got this one online from eBay for like 150 probably, so it's a pretty good deal. I love how the suspended crystals look so modern and chic. And so the next item that is essential on your entryway, it is a rug. This one I picked it up last year, I believe, from Ross, or maybe this year because I changed it. So this one was very inexpensive. I really love the dark color because obviously it's easier to maintain, and also the other color that it matches perfectly with my tiles. And I feel like a rug is always gonna leave like the energy from the outside out of the door, so that's a perfect element for your entryway. Now on this wall I had a different frame, but I went ahead and removed it, and I added this wreath that I picked up at Home Goods last year, and I really love the refreshing vibes that this greenery gives to the entryway space. When it came down to decorating the other side of the wall, for me it's all about family, and I thought this frame family tree, it was perfect for the space. I picked that one up at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really love how it has the branches and then it has the frames, and you can add a lot of pictures. This was like $49.99 I believe, and you could use the coupon. It was a while ago, so I'm not sure exactly about the price, you guys, but I know they also have a different variety, and I really love it. I love it a lot, and I think it matches well and goes perfectly on the size of this wall. Now the two other little mirrors that you guys see, it was a set that I ordered online on Walmart.com for like, I believe it was $29.99. It comes in a set of three. And so to complement this side, I went ahead and added an extra frame that I picked up. I believe it was a Burlington for like $7.99. It's so pretty and it speaks about love. Now this frame was already here and I really love what it says about home and blessings, and it really blends well with everything else. When it came down to deciding which bench I wanted for this space and what color, I was really looking into white, but I do have a lot of white furniture and my walls are of white. So I definitely decided to go with this silver one, and I really love that it's tufted, it has diamonds, and I also love the French style around the legs. I also thought this particular one was perfect for extra storage if you have a small place. At the end, you guys, I really love the final result of decorating the space, adding elements little by little. I took my time and I really love how everything tied up together. I would love to know what do you guys think of these tips to decorating your entryway, and I really hope that this video inspire you to create a space if you don't have one. Even if you have a small space, I feel like you can always add that coziness to, to your visitors or to your family members when they're coming in your home. And I really want to give a big welcome to all of you new subscribers. Hello, and I'm Mimi, and I'm so happy to have you here. And for those of you that already subscribed, thank you so much for watching once again. And if you guys have any suggestion of videos or content that you want to see on my channel, don't be shy to leave me a comment down below on the things that you would love to see on my channel, and I would love to share that content with you. I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Ciao.